Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how my trading system make money for me. Now you can see this is my account and I have started with $500 and the profit is for $13. Now you can see that I have deposited the date of last 30 and like this EA make money for me. You can see here all the trades that EA make. This is all auto trading system. This EA is very good to make money in Forex market. If you want this EA, then you can message me on my WhatsApp. The link in the description. You can check there. Everything I have mentioned in the description. You can also make the money like this. So we will talk in the next video. Thank you for the watching. Bye bye.